Hello, thanks for joining me here today. My name is Kevin Seaver. I'm a trusted lawyer since 1991, recognized expert, successfully specializing in fighting the Department of Children and Families, more commonly referred to as DCF, throughout the entire state of Massachusetts. I turn negatives into positives for my clients. Today I want to talk about why you do not remove what you perceive to be the jerk social worker from your case. Recently I had a client by the name of Sue who came into my office and was complaining about her social worker. But in reality, when we sat down and she started telling me what was keeping her up late at night, what her concerns were, why she was anxious with DCF, it came down to the task on her action plan. It really wasn't the social worker at all. It was my client's perception that because of these tasks that she felt kind of arduous and difficult to do, that the social worker didn't like her, which was not the case at all. So my client's perception was off. Now in another case, we'll call her Barbara, comes into my office and starts telling me stories about the social workers. And I was appalled. I don't blame her for wanting to get rid of the social worker. I went and met with the social worker, and the social worker wasn't very nice to me either. Now courtesy is what DCF is supposed to extend to clients. It's in their rules, their regulations on the 110 CMR. However, some people are just jerks, and that includes social workers as well as lawyers. Let's be clear. It's a two-way street. And sometimes clients aren't very nice to the social workers, and that's why the social worker may be nasty back to the client. But for whatever reason it may be, when you have a nasty DCF social worker who's a complete jerk, do not ask for them to be removed from the case. Why is that? Simply put, the devil you know is better than the devil you don't know. I had a case recently where the client absolutely positively hated the social worker, made a lot of noise, and got the social worker removed from the case. So what happened? DCF put another social worker on the case, but again, the devil you know is better than the devil you don't know. The second social worker was 1,000 times worse than the original social worker. And DCF knows that if you're having a problem with a social worker, believe it or not, they may retaliate against you by putting even a worse person on your case. So stick with your current social worker, do everything you can to work out what you need to work out, make it happen, and turn that DCF negative into a positive. When you've got a DCF case, you're involved with DCF, your family, call me. Call Kevin Seaver. Call me now. 617-263-2633. Again, call me. Call Kevin. Call me now. 617-263-2633. We will help you. Thank you for watching.